Consider this. Which of the following fractions are improper fractions? Let's move on to the next slide and let's consider 3/2 and remind ourselves of the terminology associated with fractions. This is called the top of a fraction, this is called the bottom of the fraction, but they're more accurately referred to in mathematics as the numerator and the denominator. So that reminded you of the terminology. So let's move this now up out of the way and we'll go on to discuss what we mean by an improper fraction. A fraction is an improper fraction when the top number is larger than the bottom number. We can write this more accurately using the more acceptable mathematics terminology as follows. A fraction is an improper fraction when the numerator is larger than the denominator. If we look at this fraction, 3/2, we can see that the numerator is larger than the denominator. Consequently, 3/2 is an example of an improper fraction. Moving on to the next slide, we can see the fractions that were presented at the beginning of this video, where we were asked to decide whether they were improper fractions or not. Well, let's look to the first one, and you can see we have 2/9, 2/9. Now, 2 is the numerator, and it is clear that it is smaller than the denominator. Consequently, it is not an improper fraction. If we turn our attention to this one, we can see that the numerator is 11 and it is bigger than the denominator, which is 2. Consequently, this is an improper fraction. Considering this, which is 19/5, the top is 19, that's the numerator is 19, and the bottom, which is the denominator, is 5. Consequently, the top is bigger than the bottom, which we say the numerator is bigger than the bottom, or the numerator is bigger than the denominator. Consequently, this is also an improper fraction. If we look at this, it's 5/8, and we can see that the numerator is smaller than the denominator. Consequently, this is not an improper fraction. So the answer to the question set in this video is that 11/2 and 19/5 are both improper fractions. And we sometimes refer to improper fractions as top-heavy fractions.